Supplies for leaks. Today, class, we will be learning about hot dogs. Hot dogs are very interesting. One, hot dogs really smell good but don't really taste good too. And someone forgot to flush the toilet. Okay, I'm serious about that because someone really forgot to flush the toilet. Oh, okay. First, we'll be learning about hot dogs in a hot dog stand. I always dreamed of a hot dog. And you know why they call it hot dogs? Because the song in Mickey Mouse, and of course, they're hot and they're a dog. So that's why they call it hot dogs. And the dog's meat is a hot. So that's why they call it hot dog, because they mostly call it wieners. Because they shake and vibrate and So forget the flush. I'm serious about this time. Okay. Okay, folks. Okay. Thank you, Circus Animals. Thank you very much. Blah, blah, blah. Okay. And cut.